All right, we're back again. We picked up the wiper blades from Walmart. They two different sizes with this particular model of Toyota. One size is 21 inches, one is 22. The 22 inch, I believe, goes on the passenger side, and the 21 on the driver's side. So once again, I'm back. I recommend a couple things: cleaning off all your debris. Pretty easy to do. I mean, you accumulate quite a bit of this stuff. And then also, a couple other things I'd recommend is, if you notice here where the wiper blades rest when not in use, both sides over there, it's accumulated a layer of debris. So I'm gonna spray it all down. Spray it all down, and I'm going to this thing's kind of junk. This is old, so I brought a couple things out here. I'm going to try to get this somewhat clean. This will be the first thing I'm going to recommend, or the second thing I'm going to recommend on this, cleaning off this while you've got everything ready to go. So both these things are probably way past their usefulness, so I'll just go ahead and wipe everything down, get it relatively clean before I put the new blades on. I know this is kind of silly walking through here like this, but the next thing is something most people won't even think of also. All right, so I've cleaned off this. Now, the other thing that I'd recommend is I bought some silicone lubricant, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just spray this. I'm just going to give the actual housing a wipe down. I mean, this one wasn't bad, but my train of thought was we'll get it to last. Now this one, if you notice over here, you got a lot more debris, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down. Sorry for the walking back and forth. Just thinking, you know, while you're doing these projects, you know, take a couple minutes and do a little bit above and beyond what may need to be done. I mean, look inside there. Look inside there. I don't know if you can see that or not. So anyways, I'm gonna spray all this. Probably get this in here. I wasn't even thinking about the spring in there. It's probably never had any lubricant put on it. Probably a good thing. We're at 3 minutes here, sorry. Taking a little bit longer. And put a squirt in this. Going a little bit overkill, but okay. And I'm gonna wipe down the excess here. Kind of gut all over the place. This vehicle is very old. I'm gonna try to do some maintenance, get it to last a little bit longer. It's got almost 200,000 miles on it. I'd like to get it, be able to drive it for 400,000 miles. So maybe I'll be a little bit more diligent on these repairs going forward. All right, next step will be putting on the blades. Be back in a minute.